All right, so we are live. Okay, so today I am going to create some. I mean, I know no one's watched. I know I have no viewers right now in this case, but um, I would like to. Okay, I guess I should probably prepare for when a viewer comes. So first of all, I'll turn on the music, and we'll turn that on later. Um, but yeah, so basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create an interactive story engine, right? That will help me make an interactive story thing later on. Um, but an interactive story game. And so I'm trying to build the client-side UI. And in this case, I'm trying to create a settings menu for the character info for the player. And this character info will affect, um, how the player will be called, what their name's gonna be, what their pronouns are in the I'm sorry, in their client side experience of that game, so of the story, right? So in the story script maybe it says like hello percent sign name, uh how are you doing? And then so that percent sign name on the client side is going to be replaced with the actual player name, right? Um, I think that's okay. I don't think that's gonna have hacking issues. I think it's okay. But in any case, so yeah, so with that, what that's gonna do is what's it called? Um, oh yeah, yeah. So what I'm trying to do now is start to create the character settings menu where the user can basically change the username, the pronoun, and the not using the in-game, the in-story name of their character, and also their pronouns. Um, so yeah, so I'm gonna try to do that. Um, so let me turn on the music because why not? That's the wrong button. And if you're wondering, this is a program I've written myself on Python. Um, and it's available on my GitHub. So okay, if a viewer asks, hey, what app is this? I'm gonna like say, hey, okay, I made this Python script. It uses the curses library if you know it. Well, I'm on Windows, so it uses Windows curses. And in any case, yeah. So the terminal that I'm using right now is WesTerm. And the actual program that I wrote is available on my GitHub, and then I can paste the link in the chat. Oh dear. Okay, let me open my Google Chrome, and then I'll just open my stream purposes, my Google Chrome for streaming purposes. Alrighty. So, yeah. What do we do? So it says here, make a settings menu for character info. So this is what I want to work on. All right. So on my other monitor, I have my my Roblox Studio. Should I share it? I mean, you're gonna see my username, but whatever. All right. So, okay. So how do I want this to work? So first of all, I want to obviously hide the UI. So the meta screen GUI. Alright, so this character menu, I think I want to create a script for it. No? But I want to, but if I'm making a script for it, should I... Anyway, if I'm making a script for it, I want its information to be referenceable on other scripts, on client-side scripts. So I think I might want to create a replicated storage script. And I'll name it, say, character info settings. Okay, character info. And I guess I'll create a folder, which I'll say client setting, called client settings. And then I'll put character info. As you can see, I'm editing the scene tree here. And you can see its changes here. Okay, character info.luau. Okay, so I guess I can start writing that on VS Code. But I guess I'll do git commit -am, create character info.luau. Okay, so I guess I'll do git commit dash am, git add dot, and do that. Okay, so that should be good. Okay, I guess I'll open that. So I have this character info script, and so what it should first do, it should load in the GUI. So local players is equal to game get service player service. I forgot what service that is. Players. Okay. Local player is equal to players dot wait for child. What is it? Dot local player. Okay, just dot local player, and then I do player GUI is equal to GUI. Player dot player GUI. Okay. Get wait for child player GUI. And I'll do, so what GUI is this? What on my scene tree? It's the meta screen GUI. So that's basically the settings GUI, I guess. And this is gonna be, okay, player, wait for child, it's player GUI, wait for child, meta screen GUI. So does this work? Let me print that out first. Oh no, this is a module script. So I will have to instantiate that on the main, in my main client file. Get the player. Get the player GUI. So okay, and this one I guess I'll. Okay, so these are the remote functions. I guess it should be here at the top. So get the player settings. So I guess that's going to be local character info is equal to replicated storage wait for child set client setting. Oh yeah. So this is going to be a folder. Local client settings is equal to this, and then hold on, and then client settings wait for child character info, exactly. And then I'll have to require this. And then yeah, so let me see. Okay, let me see if this works. Oh no, I don't think I have to do this. Because wait, is the module script gonna run anyway? Yeah, so it works. Alright, so it works. So git commit -am load character info in main client.luau. I don't know if that's needed though, but okay, whatever. So we got this. What I now need to do is to get. So these are just basic script kind of things. Oh, I can create a client settings script to make this object oriented. Wait, what? We'll think about that later. Not object oriented, to make it like modular. I don't know. How do you even make things modular in Lua? You just use procedures or what would you? Okay, let's not get distracted. I don't know how to do this. I'm not doing it, but I have to say. Okay, so we got meta screen GUI. So what do I have here? So on my on my Explorer tree, I have meta screen GUI, and I need to get character menu. So I need to get that frame. So local character menu is equal to meta screen GUI get wait for child So I have here in not menu template, I don't want that, character menu. And so this one is a frame. And then in this frame, we have a few things here. And okay. This frame, I have the title, but then I also have a character menu and then local character menu frame, which is another frame within it. And then this is going to be the character menu wait for child frame. And then in here I have the actual settings. So first of all, I'm gonna call this frame name. Okay, what is this? Expected this to be frame but got instance. Oh my gosh, but then why is this not giving an error? That shouldn't just give an instance, no? What? Okay, we're gonna give up type checking. We're gonna give up type annotations. I'm gonna get rid of this. Because this is just a luau, a linter kind of thing, freaking out. Not freaking out, but like kind of getting confused. Because it doesn't... No, but it should have access to the Roblox tree. I guess it's because I'm just doing... I guess I can't really like understand this. This is like getting player GUI, and obviously before actually running this program, this is not player GUI, this is starter GUI. Can you get service starter GUI? Thanks. Yeah, you can, but I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know if that's the one that I want, because I think it might not update. Okay, whatever, let's not get distracted. Let's not get hung up on these things. Instead what I can do is now just have a bunch of settings. So do I want this to be extendable? The answer is yes, except whatever, I don't want to do that. Okay, first, okay, I'll get name. So okay, no, settings, and then I'll do name. Name is nothing. So I'll first of all have to load in the these things. I think I want to make it extendable though. So what is the name setting gonna be? Well, this is the name, because I have on my tree here I have name, I have character menu, and then inside I got the frame called frame, which I'm calling here character menu frame, and I guess I can just call it. And then inside that there's another frame which is name, called name, and it contains text box and text label along with UI list layout for formatting purposes. But yeah, so I guess we can have text box. So text box. Okay, so its input. I guess its input is a text box. Because I want this to be extendable. Although I don't know if that's what I need to do, because I'm literally just gonna remake HTML JavaScript. I don't want to do that. So but with this system, I think I really do want to make it extendable. So okay, so what is its input? Its input is a text box, and okay, and its value. Yeah, I can set the value. Yeah. Now I'm literally just making, I'm just remaking HTML, because in HTML, right, there are these input elements, and you can have the type, you can have value. Okay, let's actually Google that. So HTML input element input tag. Yeah, so you got a bunch of types. There's a button. Empty by default. A push button with no default behavior. a checkbox allowing single values. Okay. Do we have checkboxes? No. Okay. Okay, I guess we'll have methods here. So I guess we can do get value. And in this case, so okay, first of all, this is name, right? And what is the path of it? Well, its path from character menu is okay, I guess from frame, I guess. It's just called name. So that's its path, and then I'll also get the text label. No. Input. So okay, get value. And then this is gonna be a lambda function, which takes in input, and the input is gonna be the actual node, the frame that is named. So node, which is a frame. This is gonna be the frame for the name setting, which will contain the text box and the text label. So I'll do name, wait for child text box. I'm gonna say, I guess I'll just do the dot text because it's okay. Let me check the text box. Text editable. Yeah. So it's just text. Dot text. And get value. So we're just gonna return that. Put down an external type. I know, but. Okay, bro. Okay, now that doesn't work, but this works. Okay, I just want to appease the linter. So this is gonna be the get value function. I guess we're also gonna do set value, I guess, but we kind of don't need that. So we want to set the value, and so the value is gonna be text, some text, so string, and we're gonna do local text box is equal to name, wait for child, text box. And we're gonna do return. No, not return, but text box dot text is equal to val. And so, okay, these are gonna be our two functions. So how will this work? I mean, I'm basically like reinventing object-oriented programming. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have two functions in the character info. We're gonna do get setting, and so we're gonna have input. We're gonna have the setting name, which is string. Okay, and okay. Which is not string, not capture. This is not Java. Name, which is gonna be a string, and then we're gonna set. Oh, well, it's just name. Like, that's it. And so do. So I guess we'll do resolve path. I guess I have a little function for that. So this will return either nil or instance. So I'm gonna do return. Should I do wait for child or? I mean, why should it be path? Why can't I just do get child? Something like that. Okay, frame gets. Okay, so that means the node is equal to frame wait for child frame, not frame, name. And then this function, self, I guess I'll just do self. And so that'll be, okay, and then I'll do self.node. Self.node. Alright, and then instead of resolve path, we're getting rid of that, because that's overcomplication. And I'm just gonna do get setting. I'll do return, settings, name, get value. And it's a colon because I wanted to pass this object as self. And so the value is gonna be the name of it, obviously. Oh wait, no. I don't know, it's just get value, right. And I'll do function module dot get setting. Oh yeah, I think function. I think I need to make some of these functions local. Wait, do I need to do that? In the Roblox luau script, do I have to make function local? Highly recommended. Okay, so I should probably do local. Okay, I'll put that in my to-do. Okay, that's not okay. I make functions, some functions local. Apparently it's good practice. So okay, but yeah, module.get setting, we're gonna do this. Now you do function module dot get setting get sorry, module.get setting, module.set setting, name to value. Oh, it shouldn't be a variant. Wait, no, that's, I don't think that's, is that what it's called? No, I think variant is something. Oh no, that's in Godot 3D script, or Godot, or however you say it. So we'll do return, not return, okay, module.set setting. No, what am I doing? Should be settings, name, set setting, val. And then we're gonna return module, yes. So I've made the thing. I made it kind of work, I don't know. I don't know if it works. So that means every time we try to access the character name, I guess I'll have to, I'll just ask character info again and again. For the name, right? I have a question. Okay, so does luau support expressions that are runtime instead of compile time? Wait, no, what am I doing? No. Does Lua support values which are recalculated every time, variables which are recalculated every time they're used? Oh no, they don't have that. But you can do meta tables. Okay, that's cool, but kind of advanced. I don't think I need that. But okay. Alright, so what should I do? I've get value, set value, because I want to have this automated way of like replacing text. Actually, no, I don't think I need to do it. This one, yeah. So this is what the character info looks like right now. So this is the replacement string. Okay, but I could just set it to a setting. Yeah, I could set it to a setting. So I'll do name. Okay, this one I won't set yet. But I can make it resolve to a setting instead. So hold on. So if settings, how do I know if name in settings? No. Table.t. How do I get? Oh, if it doesn't return no. If settings name is no, then return no. And if settings name is not no, then we run this and then we end. Sorry, this is wrong syntax. Okay. So this could be the settings name. So I'll comment this out first. And if I tell dialog.onClient invoke, it's like, hey, instead of the replacement is gonna be a replacement string. I don't know, setting name. So instead of rep, it's gonna be the setting. And then I'll do pattern. And name this pattern. And so I'll do local rep is equal to character info dot not the colon, because I would send in the character info as self as the first argument, that is. I don't want that. Okay. The dot get setting, right? Yeah, get setting, and then the name is just setting, right? And then text is equal to text g sub. So it just replaces the stuff. So I don't know if this would work, but okay. First of all, when we're setting up the settings, the character info, set up the character info. To do, make it a prompt for a user. Okay, whatever. So character info dot set setting. Name would be player dot name. So that should theoretically work. I should see it. Oh, attempt to call missing method set setting of table. So that's in character info. Oh, it should be set value. Okay, that works. Oh, it works. It works. It works. Yeah, that is cool. Okay, so what do I say now? Because it works, so... I don't know. Okay, so it works. It is setting the name. Okay, so I guess I'll commit that. Git commit -am. Make character info character menu, I guess, because that's what it's called. What the setting menu is called on my Explorer tree here. Make character menu work. I don't know. Integrate. Yeah, integrate character. I guess info menu. I guess character menu with main.client.lua through character info. Okay, that should be good. What do I do now? Okay, I think for now my side quest is gonna be I'm gonna make functions local. That's gonna be my side quest. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. I guess I don't need to make it local, because then... Wait, what? Why? What? Did I not save it? Okay, never mind. Oh, whatever. That's probably just... Okay, whatever. Let's not get distracted. So, it says show elements smoothly. I mean, yeah, but I made it global, so it shouldn't be... I mean, it's gonna be compiled anyway. I mean, if it's local, right? That means the function at the top here can't access it. What to do with local function if I want code above it to be able to reference it? I can forward declare it. How do I forward declare it? Oh, yeah, I know. That's what I thought, but I was like, that sounds like a hack. That's what I can do. So that's basically like C, where you can, not forward declare, but it's not called forward declare. Is it called forward declare? No, in C and C++, it's just defining the function's prototype. Thank you, CS50, for that vocabulary. But in any case, let's not get distracted. So this is sound. Okay. Forward declare. No, define function prototypes. No, it's not a prototype because it's just local variable. Define local functions. So local, so I just said local. So it says so just show elements smoothly. Show elements smoothly. And then now I can do show elements smoothly. Is equal to function. Yeah, and this is gonna work because it's gonna set that and then it's gonna call fire server later. So it's not gonna, so the code up top is not gonna run yet until this runs. So that should be good. Let me run that. Yes, that works. Let me check my other code base, my other codes. I want to, yeah, I want to make each of these functions local. So, oh, that does not work. Oh wait, no, because that's okay. No, that's obviously not. Command stop. Okay, yeah, that's not. That doesn't need to be. That doesn't need to be local yet. But if I go to the server side, not concept, main server script. Okay, this doesn't really define many functions. It doesn't define functions. Oh, whoa. So I'm just gonna do git commit. Use local. Wait, okay, but if doing this, the GD script. Oh, I don't know you can do that as well. Okay. Does forward declaring local function as local variable still have performance increase, and then defining it later still have performance increase throughout? Okay, that sounds good. Okay, use local function. No, define function locally instead of global for performance increase. Thanks, Google AI overview. Is it okay to mention copyrighted terms in your Git commits? Git commit messages? What? we go. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so this kind of works. What doesn't work right now is that I can't close it. So I want there to be a little function that kind of says, hey, we should close it. So I guess I'll get a close button. So get the close button, which is a text button. And it's character menu, wait for child, close. And of course it doesn't work. Because it's not okay with my type annotation. Call them annotations because that's what they're called in Python, but okay, whatever. Local close, okay, let's write that properly. So local close is equal to what? So it's character menu, and so what? Yeah, character menu, and then there's a close button. So wait for child, close. Okay, that sounds good. Now I guess I just need to define a handler. So close dot mouse. Well, okay, it's called close dot mouse button one press. Oh well. Connect function. I really like these languages where your lambdas are just stored, where your lambdas just have access to your local variables. Like you have, like I know it's really hard to implement. It's probably like complicated. I guess I don't know if it's complicated to implement, like actually, because like you gotta keep track of variables. You gotta keep track of its context, right? When these lambda functions are called. So whatever. I guess, yeah, whatever. Lambda functions? Yeah, because they're not like global functions, or yeah, like because in C you don't have lambda functions. You just have callback functions that are defined globally in terms of your script, not your script, your source file. Which I mean, it can be, I mean, yeah, globally in terms of your source file. I mean, you can export it if you want to actually make it global, but yeah, you have to define it globally, the function, the callback function, in terms of your source file. Of course, it's not accessible from other programs because from other files or libraries if it's not exported or something. But like yeah, so but you know, in languages like Python, even C++, right? Python, C++, Lua, JavaScript, TypeScript, script, I guess. Right, your lambda functions have access to the context that they're defined in, so that's pretty interesting. Okay, this is distressing. The way that song ends is distressing because it like changes it pitches it down. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So we have mouse button one pressed. What we want to do is we want to hide the character menu. So that's just character menu. Colon no, dot visible is false. So let me run this, see if it works. Mouse button one. Okay, maybe it's not pressed, maybe it's clicked. What? Roblox Creator Hub. I just want the documentation. Yes, for now, right now. Okay, that's not gonna distract it. So text button. So what does text button have? What events does it have? Oh, yes. Mouse button one. Oh, it's just click, not clicked. Wow. Alright, so I can just click it maybe. And it disappears! It disappeared! No! Yeah, so that's exactly what I want. So git commit -am, make close button work. There you go. And so yeah, so that makes the close button work. Now what I need to do is I need to have like a settings button, like a character, like on the side, right? On some popular Roblox games, right? Like the settings, you can click a button on the side of your screen, and then it loads the settings. I have to do that right now. I know I sound drunk. I kind of sound. Do I sound drunk or something? Okay. So how is that gonna work? Cause we have character menu. I still have a side menu on the side. And it's gonna be a frame. I'm gonna add. Okay, it's gonna have a visible background. Background color is. No, background transparency is 1. And then its position is gonna be. I guess we'll put it on the left. I don't want to copy because I found a tutorial online and I put it on the left. So I guess I'll put it on the right. And I know I sound so drunk. Okay. Okay. Size. I guess we can make it like. You know what I'm saying? Like expand. You know what I'm saying? But no, I'm saying. Okay, I'll make the size. Let's do that. Whatever, and then I'll set the anchor point to say 0.5 maybe. No. I want it to be like the right side, like the 6 side. If you imagine it to be a keypad, you know what I'm saying? But okay, I'm gonna need a. So this is gonna be the settings menu. It's not a settings menu. It's like that settings buttons. I don't know, like side menu. Yeah, as you can see, I named it sides. I named it side menu. I think I would like to have a UI constraint that basically says, is it flex? Yes. And it says, okay, what does this flex do? Flex mode should be vertical. It should grow. And so item, I should, I guess. Yeah, I have no idea what that does. So let me add some items. So first of all, I add a text label. Add another text label. Why is it not? Okay, I guess it should be a list. UI list layout. Sure. And then I'll add a text button. And I'll add another text button. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh ho 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 ho. Okay, padding. Padding. I'm so drunk. Okay, so I guess I can put 16. Put 12. Okay, I found. Okay. So fill direction is vertical, yes. And wrapped? I don't think I need that. WRAPS, that is. Okay, so flex mode. If it's fill, none, shrink. Okay, I want it to have alignment. So item alignment, we'll do end, and then horizontal flex. Whoops, no, I don't want that. Vertical flex, horizontal flex. No, I want alignment. Oh gosh, no. Wait, no, is this what it should be? Oh, because I've made it spaced around. I don't want that. How do I reset the... Okay, I reset it its default. Alright, we have some buttons. We have some buttons. If I did 12, was that like... Oh no, that's not good. I wanted to like... alignment? Vertical... Oh, I made it top. I want it to center. If I add one more... Add... It's not flexing. Why? It grow and it should be end. I'll do automatic. Why is it not working? What is UI flex item supposed to do? Let me check. So UI flex item defines flex behavior for a Boolean object. Oh, it's within UI. Wait, what? I don't need that. Wait, what? But why is it like perfect line? Oh no, because it's size of managed. Okay. Okay, add some padding. And I'll say padding right. I'll set it to like 12. Why is it not working? It's not getting rid of it. Okay, in any case, so this kind of works, barely. It's not evading the size though. I don't think it needs to do that though. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, but the size though, I think I can delete this, and I'll set the text button to like this wide, and then I'll set to this. I'll do 0.1. Oh gosh, no. Oh wait, what? Oh, because that's not the size of the screen. I mean, okay. Okay, I guess I'll just do 1 then. And then this thing I'll set to like 0.2. But if I do this, yeah, look, it's like not the best. Yeah, this thing needs to be a bit bigger. But okay, oh my gosh, that is thin. If I do this, it gets squished, right? So I guess I'll add a keep aspect ratio. Dominant axis, let's say, is width, and okay. Yo, I like that. That looks kind of weird, but no. I mean, I might as well just instead of this list layout is gonna work. This padding though is not gonna work. Okay, no, this vertical padding, that's fine. It's just that this one I'll just add an offset. And I know you're not supposed to use an offset, but it's just like for borders, for padding, for things like that. So I think it's okay. Hey, that looks pretty nice. I'll just duplicate this. Oh, yo, I like that. And then this, I can set the text scaled. Oh, yo, I like that. I just need to make the button smaller. I can add UI padding. Yo. Yo. That looks good. That looks good, man. Yo, I like that. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing on my other monitor. But you know what? Fine. You can see it for a little bit. As you can see, look at these buttons. Whoa! They changed size, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yo. Okay, that's enough leaking my personal information. I know. Okay, how many viewers do we have? Like 0? Tools. Not tools. Team collection. Oh, stats. Okay, that's not. Okay, that's okay. You just close the dockable window. Gosh, can't not do that. How many viewers do you have? We have 0. Oh. Okay. I don't understand. I like making this content, man. I don't like. I like this. This is like what I like doing, but yet I get no views, and yet I get so many views for making Minecraft. I guess because I like Minecraft. I like making that video. It took a bit of effort though, but actually no. It took way more effort than the video before that. Like for my speedrunning. Let me pull that up. All right, here we go. So yeah, beating Minecraft. Okay, 951 views. That's nice. Oh yeah, so this is the video that actually kind of took a while. Because I was kind of lazy to actually finish it. Here's the bad word. I'm sorry. But yeah, so this one got 109. I guess I got a few views. But this one's like just constantly growing now. Like I don't know. Thanks be to God. But yeah, so this one, did I work hard for this? Not really. I guess I just I kind of didn't work hard on it anyway. I just put music. I just like cut out my like my pauses and then just put music on there. I kind of like tried to make an amazing vibe. Not vibe. Like I found like the best like sentimental ballad sounding music from like Kevin MacLeod. Okay. Distracted. Put live chat. I mean, I know it says 0 concurrent viewers. Like I literally put music. I don't understand. Is it because like I'm not? Is it because like coding an interactive UI for my interactive story engine is that just not interesting to people? All right. Let me do some. Actually, never mind. Wait, no, let me do something. I think this. Let me do filler screen. Okay. I mean, it's not like anyone's watching. It's not like I have 0 viewers, 0 concurrent views right now. Yeah, I'm not watching my own stream. Okay. Sound. Okay, no, my mic is at full volume. I mean, like in my system settings. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me actually open the YouTube live control panel. Oh, I can't make it smaller. Bro. Why so stubborn? Okay, but whatever. I guess I'll just... I guess... I mean, I can check that later. Okay, let me re-share my screen. Share my screen. it's like I'm in class. Alright. Let's see. So, okay, so what do I do now? Okay, so I have this button, and this button is supposed to control... Okay, this is gonna be hidden. It's visible with false. But if I add another button, if I duplicate this and I set this to visible... Okay, so it basically just disabled it. Okay, that's good. Something like that. So, okay, I'm gonna say, hey, this is gonna be our template button. Our button template. It has UI padding, which is what I kind of want. So that's gonna be that, and so that's button template, and I'm gonna say, hey, wait, no, but then it's gonna be such a pain of like editing the UI padding, you know. Is this the size of it? Yes, this is fine. Okay, yourself, Lugim, yeah, that's your pseudonym. That's your alias. Okay, YouTube thing. Okay, whatever. So, what do I do? Okay, so this text button is gonna be our character menu. It's gonna activate or disactivate the character menu thing. So, let me change the text to character menu. Just character. Okay, so I got that. So now I just need to get it. So local side menu. Okay, whatever. Local side menu is equal to meta screen GUI. Wait for child side menu. And this is a frame. Okay, so now with side menu, I can get local character button. Character button. I guess I'll set it to. Oh no, I don't know if that's gonna work. Character button is equal to side menu. Wait for child. Character menu. And so this button, so is this gonna allow me to text button? Is it gonna be unhappy? Yeah, it's unhappy, okay. So with this character button, I'm gonna say character button dot mouse button one click connect function and character menu visible is equal to not character menu. Not is equal to, but I'll set it to not character menu. Well, it's not equal to in the strict mathematical sense because it's not like the same, same value, right? It's the opposite, but yeah, whatever. But we're programming here, so so this is visible, right? Sure. I guess I'll add. Oh yeah, I want to add some rounding. So UI corner, and then I'll add some rounding. So corner radius. Is this what I want? Okay, let me move it here. Hey, that's pretty cool. If I increase it to like 16. Ooh, that's pretty round. I just set 1. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. So I'm just gonna duplicate this. Put it on the button template. Okay. So that means if I click this button, it should just like close it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It does work. So let me do device emulator, and I'm gonna do an iPad Pro. Oh my gosh, that is huge. Actual resolution. Oh my gosh, fit to window. Okay, that's window. No, fit to window. I'm sorry. I apologize for my mockery of accents. So, yeah, fit to window. Now I can click character. Hey, that's pretty nice. That's okay. As for the size of the text though, that's pretty small, eh? I don't like that. Okay, but if I test it out, let me click that. Yes, that's working. It's working. Okay, I can move around. That's not good. I don't want to move around. Yeah, the text is so small on the iPad. I mean, I guess it might not be that small, but like in real life. But it is kind of small though. Like, I don't know if I can always just do physical scaling. Okay, student ID library card is 8.56 centimeters. Okay, I have a protractor. No, not a protractor. Well, yeah, I have a protractor, but I also have triangle. Like the triangle ruler. 2 triangular rulers. So it says here it has to be 6.56 centimeters. Okay, I understand. So 3.37. So 3.36. 3.37. Okay, whatever. So 6. Oh, no, it says 8.56. What? That's it's wrong. Okay. We get an actual ruler. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is not how you get an actual ruler. What am I doing? What? This is literally a side quest. Like, what am I doing? Oh, I can do that. Okay, I got a ruler. Okay, Alright. Alright, so I have this ruler. Let me like set this to, oh my gosh, why is it a serif font? I don't like that. So you need to set it to 8.56. So okay, 8. Okay, 8. It just said 8.56. So something like, okay. Cool, okay. 5.6 though, so it's like halfway like that. Close enough. Okay, let's see. Well, that's a bit too much. 8.6 rather than 8.56. Okay, let me change that to something a bit smaller. A tiny bit. And I know you guys can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Not that anyone's watching anyway, but okay. Oh gosh. Alright, that should be close enough. Alright, okay. I scaled it. Okay, let me do actual resolution, not actual, physical size. I guess that's okay. Hold on, can I full screen this or? Okay, if I have the, yeah, I guess that's okay. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Whatever. But if I do say, if I have a HD 1080 and I'll do fit to window. I mean, okay, whatever. I guess that's okay. What about 4K? What is 4K? Ah, whatever. It's not important. I'm wasting my time. But iPad 10th generation. iPad Air 50. Okay, that's not gonna distract it. Okay, that's good enough. So whatever. What that shows is that the UI is okay. It's fine. Okay. Alright, let's actually like implement something. Yeah. Okay, I'll do git commit -am, make character, make side menu button work. Button for character info work. Alright, so that works. That's great. Now what I gotta do, okay, is I guess what I want to do is like, so I've made it work for name. Now I want to add the pronouns. I don't want the user to do so much work here, but I'm thinking, this is gonna be complicated. I don't know if I want to actually implement this in the Roblox code, but it's gonna be like a table. Let me draw it on Paint. Okay, it's gonna be like a table. Like, let's say like this. This is gonna be mask. Where is the text? How do I add text? Control T. Oh no. A new viewer is gonna be like, what the heck? So you're gonna have masculine, feminine, plural, and then I'm gonna add you. So I'm thinking, the way they can choose pronouns for their characters, they're gonna have this, right? But then there's also another row. Oh yeah, and instead of view, it's gonna be custom. Hold on. So that means how do I get rid of this? That okay. And then I put tools, custom. So yeah, and then they're basically, so there's gonna be check marks here. So they're gonna be check. They're gonna be check boxes. Now what is the best way? Okay, what is the best way of making checkboxes in Roblox GUI? You just use text button or something? Image button. Okay, okay. Understood. So I guess I'll see if Pixabay has. Oh, no. How many image uploads? How many image uploads can you have Roblox Studio? Bulk upload image. Okay, asset resolution. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. So it's just audio that has that. Okay. Like I guess I'll go and I'll first try to implement it without using actually never mind. I'll get the assets. So I guess I'll go on Pixabay. I mean, I could just use an emoji. I could just use a text button and then just put an emoji for a checkbox. Oh yeah, that's true. Alright, so that means I'll create a kind of table. Menu template? Oh, no, that's the wrong. Okay, yeah. No, not menu template. Character menu. And then I'll do frame, name. Okay. And I'll do pronouns. I'll make it a table. And this UI list layout, okay, that's fine. And do you have padding? I want to add some padding. Let's say 8 pixels of padding should be okay. Oh no, that's gonna ruin it. I'll. Because how wide should this be? Because I want this to feel like whatever, like the rest of the thing. So size. Because I want this to feel like the rest of the character nonsense. Like, okay, let me give you this. Yeah, because I want to fill the rest of this. You know what I'm saying? So I think I would like the list layout padding to be smaller. So that's Y. Yeah. I think that's fine. Okay, let me set the background color so that I can actually like see it. Okay, I guess you guys don't need to see that, or maybe you guys do. I don't know. Okay, I set the background. I would like to set the padding to 0.01 on the y-axis. Okay, that doesn't what? What? Oh, it's pixels. Oh. Whatever. I guess I could just set the size. Okay, I guess that's fine. And then the size, I guess I'll just set it to like... why is it not letting me? What? Oh, wait, no, because it's invalidly... thing. Okay, I mean, it's gonna have like the same width anyway. Okay, whatever. I guess it's okay. What is the size of this? Oh, okay. Okay, whatever. We'll worry about that later. The background color can... Let me set the background color, the transparency to 1. And I'm just gonna make a table UI... I want it to be a table, grid, I guess? No, I want it to be table. And so I guess I'll add text labels. Wait, so how big should a table be? How's it supposed to know? And the padding, I guess I'll add, I'll have, like, say, 8 pixels. We can do 6 pixels between each thing. And so this is gonna be fill direction. I'll do horizontal. And it says major axis is row major. I don't know what that means. Determines whether sibling UI elements are treated as rows or columns. So you're supposed to have frame within a frame, or what are you supposed to do? Okay, how do you use? Okay, never mind. I don't want to close that. Cancel. All right, I want to. How to use UI table layout. Roblox. What to use? How to use? It says sibling UI elements are as either rows or columns. Oh no, so it's sibling and children. So I guess I have to have okay, so siblings I guess are gonna be columns in this case. Fill directions to be horizontal. Okay, that's okay, that makes sense. So I'm gonna have a frame then. And so this is gonna be okay, masculine. Okay, and then I'll say this is gonna be a child. I'm gonna have child elements, so it's gonna have a text label basically. Can its size be managed by something else, or okay? Because I don't quite understand how to. It shouldn't be. Whatever. So this is gonna be the heading. Text. Okay, fine. And then that is not how I want it to be. It says fill direction is horizontal, and then major axis. Okay, what is fill direction? UI objects are laid out. Okay, so that means the what? I set this to vertical. Okay, because it's a column. Okay, I understand. No, I want it to like stay within. I guess you do a UI. Maybe I use UI flex item. And instead, the flex mode is gonna be shrink. That did not do anything. But do this though. Oh no, that doesn't do anything. No? Okay. I don't want to like manually set the width and height though. Okay, let me Google how to do that. Roblox, how to arrange GUI elements in a table. Without having to manually set each cell's size and position. I should probably watch these tutorials, but table container, yeah. And then add a UI table layout as a child of that frame, yeah. Oh. So fill direction, yeah, I have fill direction. Oh, I just do fill empty space. Determines whether cells are sized such that they occupy the horizontal space of the parent UI element. And here it says, and then there's another fill empty space, and I guess that's vertical. Determines whether cells are sized such that they occupy the vertical space of the parent UI element. Oh, that's exactly what I need. I need fill empty space columns, fill empty space rows. Yo, that is exactly what I wanted. That is exactly what I wanted. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's not get distracted. So, okay, and I'm gonna set each of these to have a set font. So, okay. Oh, I mean a text scaled. Yes, and then I mean this is gonna be ugly. It's gonna look ugly, but okay, this is gonna be first person, second person, third person. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna set the okay, that looks tiny. But not first, but this should be subject, object, and then I don't know, subject, object, and possessive. That is nominative, accusative, and what's the other form? I wonder what's the name of the other form. There's genitive. There you go. Object. And it will have possessive. Okay, but in any case, so we got object. Okay, I think it's because I think it's because the padding is a bit too much. No. Okay. So the object variant of the pronoun he is him, right? Variant? I don't know. Form? Whatever. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. That's name. I don't want name. I want text. Text. Him. And then subject. Oh yeah, subject is he. I already said that. And object is him. And then possessive is gonna be his. Okay, and then we'll have... Wait, no, but I want this to have like a kind of background. I want there to be some sort of border. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll duplicate mask and I'll make it feminine. Text, not text. Okay, heading, text. Okay. Object, her. Possessive is her. Subject is she. And I'm gonna duplicate this. I'll make it plural. Heading. Well, yeah, this is a grammar lesson now. Object is they, them. Okay. Them. Possessive is their. Subject is they. And then I'll say this is custom, I guess. I don't know. And then these text things will instead be text box. Wait, so what text, what is this? This is, so for name, what is the background? Alright, I think I now just need to add, fine, you guys can see this. Nope, like this. Okay, fine, you guys can see this. So, oh, that looks terrible. Oh, that looks terrible. On this kind of screen. And so we're supposed to get the frame. Okay, so this is gonna be the script below checkbox, and so this is gonna be do I want to duplicate it? Because there's so much. Oh, whatever. I mean, this is how Roblox works, right? So it's not object oriented like it's not explicitly object or and intentionally object oriented at the scripting part, like say GD script, right? So all right, so what do I do here? So I guess the frame is going to be a script.parent. Okay, and that's going to be the frame, and so this is going to be a frame, and I'm going to need to get the text button. So text button is equal to frame get wait for child. That should be text button. Oh, come on. I guess it doesn't want type annotation, but I can't use type annotations here. What is this? This is deleted. Oh. Well, okay. So local. Okay, no, but when I'm setting it up, okay, that's fine. So frame is equal to get, okay, script.parent, a frame, okay, and then local text button is equal to frame wait for child text button. If I, yeah, that's not working. Okay, so alright, and then what else? So I'm gonna basically say what do I do? Because I want it so that you can like set the attribute. So okay, let me first say get value of button. Can you set an attribute to like any? Can you set a data? Wait, no, never mind. Wait, attribute. I can add an attribute and I can set the type to rect font, grid color. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So how do I want to make this expandable? Oh, this is gonna be really inefficient. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get run service, so local run service is equal to game get service run service. I'll do run service dot heartbeat, and I'll connect. Then I will have this text. I guess that's gonna be delta. So underscore, underscore delta number. And I'll do, okay, text, I'll do, frame dot, what? Frame dot value? No, frame, I want to set attribute. And so the attribute that I want to set, I guess the custom attribute is going to be called, value. And the value is going to be, okay, if it's the case that text button dot value, no, text button dot text is equal to what I'll do. So I guess I'll do like check emoji. We'll call check emoji. It's gonna be I'm gonna need the check mark emoji. So what is this normal? What's this normal thing called? Okay, what is the Unicode for 2714? So I guess that's hexadecimal, I'm guessing. So backslash u. Is this one supposed to be 2714? What? Luau Unicode string. Oh, you just do that. Okay. 2716. I forgot. What? 2714. Okay. Let's actually 2714. Sorry for flashing your eyes if you're photosensitive. No one's watching. No one's like. Check the stats. Not stats. That's the wrong thing. The what? You just closed the dockable window. Thank you. Open to YouTube live control panel. I have zero concurrent viewers. Oh no. It's just 0 views. Okay. Seems people are really uninterested in this. Oh well. I literally put music though. Like, come on. Alright. I guess no one's really interested in this. Or maybe I should just pick a better thumbnail. Not thumbnail. Well, yeah, title as well, really. So okay, check emoji. So that's gonna be no, on emoji. True emoji. And then I'll do false emoji. Is gonna be nothing. I guess I'll do true text. Wrote TTF. True text font. Sorry. Is that what's it called? Is true text trademark? If so, then I'm sorry. I'll just do this. Okay, and the if text button. Okay, no, but if I'll just set the false text to this. Okay, so if text button is equal to false text, then we'll do false. Else we do we'll do false. False, else true. Does it have to be a string? Values as it could be any. So okay. I'll do true text then true, else false. Or should I do nil? Can I do else if? Okay. Then true, else if text button dot text is equal to false text, then false, and I'll do else nil. Okay, that works. It's not like Python where it doesn't register elif in a ternary conditional, and even other languages that have the ternary conditional syntax like this, condition a then a, right? Even this syntax, right? This doesn't have else if. I mean, I guess you could do condition 2 then b then c or something like that. I guess that's no problem. But, okay, yeah, let's not get distracted. But Python doesn't have this, I don't think. This kind of ternary conditional that's like not just ternary, but like maybe quaternary in this case, because this has 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not a quinternary. I don't know. Whatever. Kind of operation because it has 5 expressions rather than just 3. And I'm getting distracted, so let's not get distracted. Alright, so this is gonna be how it's gonna work. And so this is gonna be what script does. I have a feeling I should not be... I don't know, should I, hold on. Should I have like one function? Okay, I think that I'm thinking too hard. Whatever, so... In any case, so this is gonna be the attribute of the frame, and then I can like say, hey, I'm gonna first set it up such that text button. Oh no, I'm not gonna set it up. Wait, how should I set it up? Ah, whatever. So I'll just say, hey, whatever. So I guess I'll just do run service. No, error. So I'll do I need to add like a thing. So button. So okay, text button dot mouse button one click connect. Whoops. Connect function. Okay, end. So okay, what am I gonna do here? So I'm gonna do text button dot text. Okay, if text button dot text is not equal to true text, then I'll set it to true text. Else text button dot text is equal to false text, because we want to like kind of alternate it. So this should, in theory, work. That is huge. That is a huge button. Why is that button so huge? What? What is this inconsistency? Okay, but does the script work? Should it work though? Okay, let me just okay, I'm getting distracted here. So okay, whatever. So it works in alternating. That's good. The issue is it's huge. Hold on. Okay, how about I'll do false text? I'll do this. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work, but here's the issue. I don't really know how to fix this, because it's it has a glitch in that when I actually run it, the icon is huge, even though it shouldn't be. It should be constrained. Actually, never mind. I guess there's no guarantee that it's constrained. Wait, what? Yeah, that's how it should. Wait, what? Do I aspect ratio? No. The size should be. What am I doing? Why is it so huge? It's so huge. That's not what I want. And I don't know how to fix it. Hold on. Text button with UI aspect ratio constraint inside a UI table. UI table layout doesn't has the correct size in Studio Editor, but when I run it, when I test it, when I run the game, it doesn't work. Its size is not constrained within the table. put it in the frame though. The issue is between the studio editor and the actual game. Alright, so this hack is not gonna work. Okay. I'm gonna change the hierarchy. I'm gonna make this checkbox, and I'm gonna get rid of this aspect ratio constraint. Why is that so? Oh. Yeah, fine. It's gonna be like that, even though I don't like that. So the script, the text button is going to be script.parent. Okay, but how am I going to set this value? Oh, well, I guess I'll just do text button. It should have expected behavior now, hopefully. Yes. Okay, now it does not have expected behavior. Why does it not respond to my clicks? Why is it not responding? It says, oh, it says, okay, in for child text button. Oh. Where? Stack begins script, line 4. But how? I updated it, didn't I? Oh, no mapping found. Oh. Oh, whoops. This script is not right. Should be here. And this one, I'll get rid of that. Now it works. I'll call this checkbox. Now I'll just duplicate this for each one of these. So I'll do this. Now uncheck this. I want to be able to set it. Hold on. So instead of setting attribute here, I think I want to set the attribute here when I actually update the thing. So else, false. Then here, I'm gonna do. Wait, I guess I'll create a little function update value. So I guess I'll do if text button get attribute value is nil, then I'm going to do update value. What this should do is theoretically, if I were to set it something else. Okay, okay, let me see if this works right now. First of all. Okay, still works. Okay, sounds good. Oh, no. What? Alright, I'll set the value. Okay, so if I run this, I should be able to individually... Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay. It wasn't working earlier, was it? Oh, no, it does work. I just... illusion. Okay, so I can basically check mark it now. But the difference between checkbox and radio inputs in HTML is that for radio you can only choose one between a list of options, while in checkboxes you can select multiple, right? There's basically the difference between multiple choice and multiple like answer type questions, right? Okay, so with that in view, let me actually write the script here. So I'm gonna do, first do git commit -am, add scripts, make checkboxes for, make checkboxes for, pronoun, like, groups, I guess, I don't know. In character menu. We're gonna, okay, git add dot and end. I guess we're gonna do that. We're gonna add it to the git thing, whatever. Okay, so now what I want to do is when we're setting certain things, so we're gonna have pronouns. So we're gonna have a node, which is gonna be frame wait for child. What is it? Oh, it's just called pronouns, I think. And then I'll have get value and set value. So no. It's a radio kind of thing. So rather than just get value, actually no, I guess get value can return a table. So self, okay, so how are we gonna get the value? So, because first we're gonna need to set it up. No, actually never, whatever. So, okay, for get value, I guess we're just gonna go through each, what's it called? What are these called? Each, button, I guess. So, wait, let me check the hierarchy. Oh, there we go, that's the word, hierarchy. Or tree, I guess. So we have three kind of things here. So, okay, for Okay. So for okay, so I guess we'll do system. I don't know, pronouns, and this will have subject, object, possessive, and then I'll do so for child, I guess, in self node get attribute, not get self dot node get children do end so what am I gonna do? So I guess I'll do if child is a if child is a frame, then so if not child, wait for child checkbox, get attribute value. I don't think I need to wait for child though. Okay, checkbox small b. Checkbox get attribute value, then end continue else. Actually, I'll make it clear. So I'll do if it is if it is true, that is. If this value is true, that means it is this pronoun group is selected. Then I'll do child dot, what do I do? What do I say? Okay, I'm gonna do child dot object dot text. Okay, I guess I'll just do that. Okay, so I guess this doesn't need to be capitalized. Subject, object, and possessive. So pronouns dot subject is equal to child dot subject dot text dot text, and then for object it's gonna be the same thing but for object. So object dot text, and then for possessive it's gonna be the same but possessive dot text, and then I'll do just return pronouns, and then if we reach this point, we're just gonna return it. Actually, I guess I'll do this, and I'll do break, so that we can have these empty strings as a default answer. Not default, default kind of thing. If on the off chance that something's improperly done, right? That all the checkboxes are off, then it's not. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So that's gonna be get value. And I'll do set value. Function self. I guess it's gonna do the. I guess I should probably like set the. This will receive the not just the. I mean it is supposed to be value though. Okay, I guess this could be like that, and I'll do unpack this. Okay, so it's gonna be set setting. So set value, it's gonna need a value. It's gonna need the a group, a pronoun group, but also, isn't it just person? what's the proper name for pronoun group, as in it's, and its, and his, and he, and his. What's the pronoun group? No, as in, no, where it and its is one group and he and his is another. Personal or what? Pronoun sets, pronoun systems. I mean this one, person numbers. I mean no, this one, pronoun sets. Set. Okay. Hold on. So I set the set, I guess. So I guess that's what it's called. Set, and I kind of want to call them groups though. Set, and then the what's it called? And then optionally the kind of values for each values that is pronouns. Okay, and if not pronouns, then and pronouns is equal to, okay, if pronouns is not, if table, okay, a type of this one is not table, then I'm gonna set pronouns to this table. I guess I can like copy this. Okay, and so now what do I do? Okay, so what does this do? So, okay, if set equal to plural, then I guess we'll do return. No, I'm gonna need like my own function here for no, but it's set value. So I guess set should just be no, just be customs, no? Custom. I guess I'll do, okay, but that's weird. Okay. If set is equal to custom, then, because, I mean, in terms of API, I don't know if it's, I mean, should it be like this? The set value just be this, and this would just be like the custom, like, that's kind of weird though. I'll just do set, I'll just make it explicit. So if set is equal to custom, then actually no, I'll do if set is not custom, I'm gonna return, which is at the start. Okay, and I'll do set value, okay, and then I'll do oh wait, no, this doesn't make any sense. This is like, I mean, this kind of set is whatever. So I'll do local pronouns frame. Oh no, pronouns set frame. I'll do set frame is equal to nil. If okay, I'll do if set is equal to plural, then I'll make it self.node dot plural. Okay, I think this makes sense. Else if set is equal to masculine, then self.node dot masculine. Else if set is equal to feminine, then self.node dot feminine. Else if set is equal to custom, then self.no.custom. And this doesn't really make any sense. I don't think the game is supposed to be able to change the masculine, feminine, and plural pronoun sets, because that's supposed to be like an English language thing, and not something the user can change. So they have to select custom. But whatever, I'll just leave it as a possibility. Else, I'll just set it to nil. Can I just like return nil? No, it's a statement. Okay. Okay, and if set frame is equal to nil, then we're gonna return. Okay, and then what do I want to do now? What should the code do now? It should do set frame dot subject dot. It should do the reverse of this. And this child should be set frame. And this should be reverse. Something like that. Does this make sense? Okay, self.node. Node is gonna be okay. Right, and then okay, so and then for each one of these, right? Set frame dot subject dot text. Wait, subject dot text. Yeah, that's correct. See? Yeah, that's correct. Subject dot text. Okay, and then object dot text. Yeah, this thing has text. Yeah, and then okay, that should be fine. Okay, I think this is good, and I'll just say, hey, git commit -am. Okay, let me make sure that this compiles. Not compiles, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, is it just like, well, I guess compiles works, because wait, no, I'm not making this mistake. Okay, never mind. Okay, so it kind of works, so that's okay. I guess I'll just do git commit -am. So this is gonna be add getter, I guess. Add getter and setter for pronouns settings in character info. I'm just gonna, whoops, git commit -am. Add pronouns to character info settings. Okay, so that should be fine. And then now, if I go to my script and actually update it, so that is not it. If I go to the main.client.throughout script, why are there two of these? What if masculine has two scripts? What? Oh, under checkbox. What? There should only be one. That is weird. What? Alright, whatever. What's this? What? File change externally. What? It's not. Okay, that's weird. I'll just do this. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna distract it. So, that's that. Okay, so now I want to use this for me. Okay, so, when we're gonna, no, but I feel like, yeah, so these replacements, I don't think that I need this code. So I'm gonna change the kind of paradigm of this code. Instead of this, getting rid of that, I'll just do text gsub percent sign name with character info dot get setting name. And I'll do is it subpron? No, SP. SP with oh no, we'll have the pronouns, local pronouns is equal to that setting pronouns, and then do pronouns dot subject. OP is object pronoun, the object, and then possessive is gonna be PP. Okay, I'll see if this works. How am I supposed to? Okay, I don't know if this works though. Oh, there's an error. Possessive is not a valid member of frame players. But how? Why is it not a valid member? It is a valid member, no? Oh, wait. How do you spell possessive? Is it both double S? No, it's S, double S. Okay, that's proper spelling. Okay, I fixed. Okay, I got something wrong. So I'm gonna do Control H this, and I'm gonna do paste that and add an extra S. I guess because it possessive. Okay, never mind. English spelling is weird. See if this works. It doesn't give an error. Okay, it doesn't give an error. No news is good news. And now, I'll do like, what are your pronouns again? Okay, I'll add it in the narrative, or in the testing narrative. Is it percent sign? Is it percent sign SP, percent sign OP, percent sign PP? So this should, in theory. Oh, now it doesn't work. It says it's a percent sign name. It doesn't replace it properly. Doesn't make any sense to me. What? Oh, because I don't set the text. Okay, never mind. I need to set it to the result, that is. I didn't set it to the result. Alright. Ooh, that works. That almost works. Oh, because I double percented it. Hello, okay, well, how are you doing today? What are your comments again? Yes. Yeah, okay. So you got the testing correctly. Okay, no, it's doing what it should do. Okay, that's what I meant to say. So I guess I'll do commit dash git commit dash am. I guess I'll just commit everything because like doing individual commits is like in these individual files is kind of painful. So I'm gonna say, hey, so this basically test the pronoun. Place pronouns. Pronoun placeholders in dialogue with the settings and fix the bugs. Okay, that kind of works. Praise be to God. And now what I need to do, gotta get rid of this. This is not needed. It is characters information. Git commit -am, remove character information. Wait, remove character info variable. Okay, so that's basically working the way I intended. Thanks be to God. Now what I need to do is to be able to add check marks. Or no, to be able to make this a kind of radio thing, right? Rather than to have radio behavior rather than just multiple choice. It should be multiple choice single answer. It should have multiple choice single answer behavior rather than multiple answer behavior. Right? It should only like accept one check mark. Basically, so well, not 0, not 1, not 0 or 2 or more. It should be 1. So I guess I'll do add another script. Okay. So there's gonna be so many scripts named script here. So this one, I'm gonna do. So I guess I'll try to get run service. So local run service is equal to game get service run service. I'm gonna do run service dot heartbeat. So I want to make this so that okay. Count how many check mark things there are. Check mark options there are. So I'm gonna do for underscore child in get descendants. What am I doing? In script.parent. So local. I guess I'll do, okay. In script.parent, I'll do what's it called? Frame. Okay, frame is equal to script.parent. This should be a frame. And so for underscore child in frame get descendants. Just get children. Not then, but do. And if child is a frame and child dot never mind. Okay, it is a frame, right? And I mean it is a okay. Never mind. If it is a frame, then wait, no. What I want to do is okay. So these scripts Oh, okay, I have an idea. What if I first move... What if I first move these script.client.luau for these individual buttons? I'll move this to the script for pronoun. And this should not be a script, this should be a client script. So, okay, I'll get rid of this. Delete that. No, rename this to client script. So, local script. Right, and instead, I'll move each of these buttons, but this button code. Oh, where is it? This, not that one. I'll move this button code. Yeah. Okay, so what does that mean? So that means I'm gonna need, to make this extendable, I will need, first of all, I'm gonna need run service. And then I'm gonna need text buttons. So local text buttons is equal to it's gonna be a list. I'm gonna need to set true text and the false text, or to know what the text should be, if the button should be true and or false. I'm gonna have update value. So then update value is gonna contain it's gonna receive a text button input, so text button. Actually, never mind, I don't need to type verify that. Or type annotate that. And then now, I'll do this. For text button, for underscore, okay, in text button, in text buttons, in I pairs, in I pairs, text I pairs text button do. I'm gonna update value, we're gonna make the text button right now. Okay, and then now what I'll do is I'm gonna first update how much I'm gonna update the text. So I'm gonna do text buttons. I'm gonna go through each child and I'm gonna refresh. And basically say, hey, these are the buttons. So for underscore child in pronouns. No, in script.parent, is that? In script.parents, colon, get descendants, not get descendants, get children, do, what am I gonna do? If child is a frame, then what do I do? If it is a frame, then I'm gonna add its checkbox. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna check if it has a checkbox, I guess. So, for child, for underscore instance in, I guess it's a frame. For underscore, okay, child in frame, then do if child dot text, not text, if child dot name is equal to checkbox, then I'll do And now instead of checkbox, I'll say it's radio. And I'll do text buttons dot table dot insert text buttons filed. So I'll rename each of these to radio. So I'll get rid of script. Actually no, for each of these scripts, I'm gonna comment them. Comment that. Comment this. Comment this. And I'm gonna rename this to radio. Actually, I'm not gonna rename it to radio just yet. I'm gonna rename it to checkbox so that I'm gonna say it's checkbox, but I don't have to do so much work right now. So hopefully this still has the same effect. Oh, we got an error. There's 100. Attempt to iterate over an instance value. So this is 28. This is line 28. Iterate over an instance. Oh. Get children. Oh. Okay, it works for feminine, but not for plural? It only works for feminine for some reason. And that doesn't really make any sense. Hold on. That's just 4 of them, so I don't know why. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, because I don't change it. Okay. No, I need to get this. For text buttons. For text button in text buttons. No, for this one in iPairs. I guess I'll do this. Do iPairs. I'll do this. See if this works. Oh, error. Attempt to index nil with text. Line 21. Okay. Why is it not working? Oh, masculine works? Okay, so if I do... Okay, masculine works now, not feminine. That is very... That is weird. Wait, why is the indentation... Hold on, why is this not working? Doesn't make any sense. It should work. No? Hold on, let me see. So I'm gonna print out updating that's done. Hey, that works. It's just that for some reason it's not changing the text. Or maybe it's getting covered up? Oh, no, something is wrong. Is it because its script is still, like, working? Okay, what I definitely know is that I want to get rid of the script. That's what I definitely know. Like, these scripts within these checkboxes. I'll delete that. delete that, delete that, delete that. Oh, now it works. Is it because it's custom? There's custom? Maybe I didn't. Is it? Oh! Okay, it's working. It's working, and I like that. Git commit -am. Make local script. Okay, use local script. One local script for. Okay, in radio button frame. Radio frame in checkbox. One select checkbox frame instead of a local script in each text button, in each checkbox. Let me amend this. And it's, well, yeah, this is the case. In what's it called? Pronouns. Git commit. Okay, that should be fine. And then, oh wait, no, I need to add. Git add dot. I'll do that. Okay, there you go. That works. And I'll call this radio. And so I'll call each of these little boxes radio. They're not really checkboxes, are they? Now let me see if this works. Checkbox is not a valid member. Oh, wait, now I'm checking for checkbox. Why does it say checkbox is not a valid member? In character menu in frame. Pronouns. Oh yeah, I know, but this is in character info client settings. Oh, this should be radio. Because it's not really a multi-select checkbox. Hey, it's working. Okay, yeah, so that music was in my was played in the game. Okay, but anyways, you're wondering. Okay, all right, I'm getting distracted. So that jazzy sounding thing. Okay, so let's not get distracted. I'll say this is git commit -am. This is gonna be rename checkbox to radio because to better reflect, better signal its behavior, expected behavior. Okay, now what I want to do is to basically just make the behavior, make it actually behave like that. Make it actually behave like a radio. So I'll call this what do I call this? I'm sorry. Okay, so I want to rename this what? Not rename this. To add the feature of yeah. Okay. So how do we do that? update value, to value? No, to attribute. From attribute. Okay, if from attribute is equal to nil, then from attribute is equal to false. Sorry, sorry, did I say value? I'll set from attribute to false. Now I'm gonna do if not from attribute, then I'll do this. Else, so we're gonna set this value based off of the attribute. I'm gonna do text button is equal to no. I'm gonna do if text button set attribute not set if text button get attribute value, then I'll do text button dot text is equal to true text, else text button dot text is equal to false text. Okay, so this should have the same behavior right now. Yep, that works. Okay, that works. So now what I want to do is to basically I guess I'll commit this first and say this is gonna be make update value support setting from setting button text text button radio setting radio text to the attribute rather than only the other way around, to the attribute of its frame parent. There you go. Make update value support setting radio text to the attribute of its frame parent rather than only the other way around. Okay, that's good. Now I actually want to make it like that. So I'm gonna go through each of these. I'm gonna go through each of these. I'm gonna say number of checkbox. Actually, no. Okay, so when we're updating, let's say we update this value, and let's say it's false. I think I want a function that basically just count radio. Count radio. Okay, I'll do count radio is equal to function, and it's gonna be text count radio count on. This is radio, I guess. Checked. Count on. I'm gonna do underscore text button in text buttons. Get in I pairs text buttons. Not then, but do text button. What do I do? If text button dot text is equal to true text, then I'm gonna do local count is 0. Count plus equals 1. I'm gonna return counts. Git commit -am. Count. Okay, add count on function. count how many radio buttons are on. Alright, so that's gonna count on how many radio buttons are on. So I'm gonna do update value. So I'm gonna do we did not update. We're gonna go to, I'm gonna do this one, right? So we're setting it to false, and we're gonna do count. So local count is equal to count on I'm gonna say, hey, if should I change count on to a different should I set it to a different name, like get whatever, count on. I'm just so that I can rename my variable to count on. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So local count is this one. So I'm gonna say, hey, if I want to count it, okay, so if we're setting this false, right? If count is 0, or if the count is just 1, then I'm gonna do, so that means that there's like one text button that's on before, it's on before updating the text button, which means this is the only text button that is on. And if that is the case, I'm gonna set it to the default one. Which means, okay, and the default one is basically, so how do we know what family this is? So it's text button dot parent. Wait, no, wait, what? What should the default one be? Okay, whatever, we're just gonna code this. Because I'm thinking, I want this code to be extendable. Okay, I'm gonna try this. So, I guess I'll just say set default. Okay, if I set this to true, and then we're gonna set. Okay, how about this? I'll just set it to false for now. I'm gonna write the code later. First, I'm gonna do, so if we're setting this button to true, we want to set all other buttons to false. So for underscore text button in iPairs text button. I guess I'll say not then. There should be a do, and I'll say this is gonna be other button. Should be other button. iPairs text buttons. Okay, if other button is equal to, is not equal to text button, then I'm gonna set other button dot text to false. I'm gonna basically just say update value other button. So this should, in theory, make it work. So if I do, oh, there's an error. Unable to assign property text, string expected got boolean. Local script line 69. It should be false text. Oh, it works. Yes. But if I make it, turn it off, then okay. Great. So that works. It works. Okay. Praise be to God. So now I'm gonna do get default. No. Do default. Okay, I'll just do default. I'll delegate it to a function. Delegate? Is that the right word? Let's say here's the text button that's getting turned off, and here's the count. And then I'll just define that. So do default. Local. Okay. I'll put it at the top here. Why not? Okay. Whatever. Do default is equal to function and this receives a text button, and this also receives the count of what is of on. And oh wait, no, I could just calculate that here within this function, because this is really only used for that, for this function. So okay, so okay, and then now I have this. What do I want to do? So I'm gonna do if count is equal to, okay, if it's not 1, then we're gonna return. But if it is 1, then we're gonna say, okay, if text the button dot parent, if it's plural, what do I set it to? Plural name. Okay, okay, if it's custom, then I'm gonna say the new one that should be on should be okay, I guess I'll do text button parents, text button parents. I think I should do like find button. I'm gonna need that. So I'm gonna need the, okay, text button in text buttons to, oh wait, this should be iPairs. I'm gonna need to set text button, okay, and then if text button dot parent is, wait, I'll do, oh yeah, okay, found button. If text button dot parent dot name is equal to name, then I'm gonna do found button is equal to text button and just break. Is that correct? Okay, I'll rename this to find button parent. Find button from parent name. This reminds me of like the DOM, the HTML DOM elements. No, the JavaScript HTML DOM like document method. That is like document.get element by ID or .get elements, document.get elements by class. Okay, so this is find button from parent name, so that's good. So this should work, I think. Okay, that should be fine. And I'll do if it is custom, then I'll do find button from parent name. What's the name of it? Okay, so if I unselect custom, I want to make it plural. I want to get plural. plural. Okay. Oh, if I want to, okay, if I, no, I think I want to make this reverse. So if it is plural, then I'll make it custom. Else, I'll just do, alright, and then I'll just do, default, default button, dot text is equal to, true, I guess, true text, and I'll do update value default button. Hopefully this works. No, okay, it doesn't work. Saved it. Why does this not work? Oh, it doesn't get. Is this even the right code? Yeah, this is a button connect. Wait, what? Okay, it's updating, yeah. Oh no, because count is gonna be 0. Okay, so it should be if count is not 0, then we return. Okay, yes. Oh my gosh, it works! Gosh, it works. I'm removing print. Actually, I'll remove print later. I'm gonna say git commit -am implement radio behavior, expected radio behavior to pronouns. In character menu. Remove print from, yeah, I'll just do remove print because it's gonna show what file it is anyway, so print. Oh, control D doesn't work. Show delete? Nope. Okay. Okay, so I'll just do git commit -am remove print. Alright. So this kind of works now. Okay, that does work. I like it now. It's definitely much realer. This should say my username. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. So now I'm gonna edit the. Okay, just one last thing before I go. So this is past midnight. Now I'm gonna go to local script, not here actually. I'm gonna go to character info. And so when we set value, actually, this should not be the case. So no, this should only be the kind of behavior for custom. So if set is equal to custom, then let's do this. What? Self.node.custom. What? I didn't know that. Oh, it should be capital C. Well, I'll just do that. Okay, if pronouns is null or type of pronouns. Okay, we'll just do that. If that's a custom, we'll do that. Else, so if it is not custom, then I'll just set the sort of. How am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to communicate to it? How am I supposed to communicate to it? That's a good question. I don't know. Should I? But I feel like that's how it should. I just thought it's a custom or something. Okay, because I want it to be kind of modular. So how to can you attach a custom method on an instance Roblox? And you can't do that, right? Object OOP wrapper, wrapping the instance. Okay. Meta tables. Okay. Okay, maybe, but then I don't want to implement that here. So I feel like I should just use attributes. Because, to do. Okay, make pronouns not self-value that have different behavior if set is custom or not. Incomplete. Let's do that. Okay. I guess I want to make this use attributes. So I'm gonna do if text button. Now if script dot parent get attribute value is equal to nil, then um, I have to say, hey, return. I'll do the local value is this. So I'm gonna do okay, and I'll do eventually script parent set attribute value the value. And I go to for underscore text button. How about this? Okay, so if text button dot if text button okay, I'll do else if text button get attribute value. I'll do local text button value. I don't have to call the function multiple times. Text button value. Else if text button value is equal to true, I'll do value plus equals text button dot parent text button dot parent dot name. Value is nil. So this will set the value of it. So hold on. Oh, there's an error. Attempt to perform arithmetic add-ons. Oh, this should be fantastic. Okay, so if I open not static GUI, but my the GUI of my player. Free cam. Okay, meta screen GUI. Extra menu. Okay, so that's the music from the game. Not probably this music. This one song. Okay. Frame. So okay, name. Wait, no. Oh, pronouns. I'm gonna check the attribute. Why does it not have attribute? Oh wait, no, it's because I need to see. Okay, its value is not set. Or it says it's not set to anything. Why is it not working? It should work. Come on. So why is it not working? It's setting it to plural, which it should be. In this case, why is it not working? It doesn't say plural, it says just value. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna do if it's not equal to value. Then I'll do script.parent. Oh no. Please just work. It should be 1 still, right? this once, and then I'll open. Yeah, maybe it's because it's not nil. Yes. Okay, that's good. So let's do git commit -am set value attribute of frame containing all radios. The value attribute of frame containing all radios to the frame of the radios of the radio that is on. To the frame name of to the frame name of the to the name of the frame to the name of the frame of the radio that is on. Okay, so what now? What do I do now? Okay, well, because the reason why I wanted this is because I wanted to say, hey, I want to set the value of the frame to a certain value. So I'll do, I guess here, I'll do self.node custom. What am I supposed to do? So okay, self.node let's set not let this is not JavaScript or TypeScript. This is not ECMA script. So set frame is equal to what? If oh wait, I wanted that old code. I want to copy that. Okay, and then I'll do set frame else if set frame is null, is not null, then set frame set attribute, and I'll set its attribute of value to oh wait, no, I don't need this. It's literally just self.node. Whoops. Okay, self.node no, self.node set attribute value to, what am I gonna set it to? That's a good question. I'll set it to true then. Oh no, I'll set it to the set, but then I'll, oh no, that means the set should be capitalized. Okay, whatever. If I want to set it, then don't I want to I guess I'll just do set value. I think that's the easiest thing. And so, okay. Okay, I guess I'll just do, if, okay, local set value is equal to, script dot parent, get attribute, set value. So if set value is not nil, then first we're gonna make sure that the value exists. So it is valid. So for as for text buttons, in pairs text buttons, do value valid. Okay, I guess it was valid. If text buttons dot parent dot name is equal to set value, then the valid is true. Great. So if it is valid, then I'm gonna say, hey, is it valid? Okay, if it's valid, then I'm gonna actually send it. So I'm gonna do for underscore text buttons. Where's the text button? Go down. Okay, so if text button is this one, okay, I'm gonna say, the true button should be, and I'm gonna set true button to text button. If true button is not nil, I'm gonna say, hey, I'll do if true button is equal to text button, then I'm gonna set it to true. So true button set attribute of value to true. It should be text, or it should be okay, it should be text. And I'll do update. Oh no, oh yeah. I'll do from attribute. So update. Okay, I'll do else. I'll set it to false. So else. Oops, and I'll do wait a minute. So I'll do update value. Let's say number. Text button is. What do I do? I'll update. Oh wait, no, it should be true because it should be from attribute. So as it is right now, this should work. This should not give an error. It should continue doing its own behavior. That's good. Okay. But now I'm gonna go to my main script, and I'm gonna say, okay. I'm just gonna test this out. I'm gonna set it to him, or I'm just gonna set it to something. Okay, so it works. Let me set it to something that does, let me change the capitalization to that, see what happens. Okay, so it correctly defaults it. Okay, so it correctly defaults it, so that's good. Now I'll just set it to custom. Oh wait, no, I need to save this. Okay, that's weird. It does not set it that oh wait, no, because that's... Okay, never mind, yeah, because I need to specify what it should be. Oh, no, I don't think I need to specify it to what it should be. Necessarily. So... Alright, so this code officially works now. So, alright. Yeah. Let's test, I guess. So this officially works. So, yeah, so this is basically just, implement setting. Okay. Implement, not implement, make the pronoun setting settable. Actually, never mind. I didn't test this out yet. I guess I'll do if I do custom and I set the subject object and yeah, so this would be subject subject not this is not JSON Python. So I guess I'll do I guess I'll do a custom one. I don't know, like say then so this would be object and then possessive would be there. I have no idea. I'm so sorry. Okay. Does this work? Yes, that officially works. And let me see if the system actually does a. Oh my gosh, it does respect the pronouns. Okay. That works. Okay. So yeah, plus test, make the pronoun setting settable. And if I do masculine, this should not work. This should not change it because that's not how English. Yeah. So that doesn't. It disregards it. So that's good. That's fine. I mean, it's not how the game is supposed to work. Okay. So I'll just say, hey, so be make the pronoun setting settable. Let's do that. Post. Okay. And then yeah. So yeah. Remove the. So git commit -am. Remove setting the pronouns yet. Just yet. Remove setting the pronouns. No. Directly, not directly. By default. Setting. Remove the test for setting. Setting. Okay. Remove the test. Okay, that should be good enough for today. So yeah, so character info, the settings menu for it, officially done. I mean, it kind of looks hilarious because like look, it's like it's compressed. I don't know if I want to set the size of the whole character menu to be a little bit bigger. This is clearly not how big it should be. Wait, there's automatic size. I don't know how that's gonna work. Okay. No. Give me the frame. Okay, so I'll do automatic. Okay, I'll just set the size to something bigger. Although 5. Wait, but why is it not working? It says okay, so it says aspect ratio, right? UI aspect ratio, fit within max size. What if I do like 1 point, not 1 point? Oh, okay, that makes it a bit wider. Okay, that. I guess I'll just make it a bit. I want to make it bigger. And I feel like this UI table layout, it's okay. No, if I set this to 0, I don't like that. Okay, I just need to make it a little bit bigger. Oh no, not this one. I don't think this is one. Oh yeah, no, this one. Oh, okay, so I'm using the height now? Why? Okay, yeah, never mind. Why is the button so massive? That literally has no effect. Why are the buttons so massive? Okay, and then the custom, okay, I'll set it to, I'll just do enter each one. Alright, so if I do this, if I run this now, it should just... Okay, yeah, that's my character name. Oh my gosh, yes! Yes, it's working! Alright, so that definitely is working. So, right, so thank you for watching, guys. I know probably none of the video. But if I close the settings, would it still? I mean, it should still exist, right? It's just it's not visible. It's not clickable, or right? Yeah. So that means that what I need to do. Okay, I need to wait, here. I want to hide this. So character menu, I'm gonna hide. So visible. Do that. Alright. It's not visible anymore. If I play this. Right. So the user can do that. Okay. Alright. So if I go to the what is this? Okay, let me get to the space plate. Can I click on the space plate, please? Is it because I have this UI thing? Alright, that should be good enough. Sorry. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Never mind. I just need to end the stream because like no one watched. Wait, let me check the viewers again. Oh, we've got 7 views somehow. I do not know how that got 7 views. I do not know. Okay, so it seems like people just left. Okay, whatever. No one sent anything in the live chat. Did anyone send an emoji? I don't think so, but okay. That should be fine. And yeah, thank you everyone. Okay. Let me just end the stream.